Hey everyone, today we're checking out 3 tools that make building with code easier and faster: Databutton, Cursor, and Bolt. If you're a developer or just starting out, these tools can seriously level up your workflow. But the question is, which one is the best? Now let's take a look. First up, Databutton. So Databutton is perfect for building web apps with AI. It's designed so you can create apps without writing too much code. Just give it an idea and it helps generate code and UI for you. It's also great for working with data like dashboards, automations, and forms. And the best feature is AI that helps build full apps fast with almost no setup. Next is Cursor. Cursor is like your favorite code editor, but smarter. It looks like a VS Code, but it has AI built right in. You can ask it to write functions, fix bugs, or explain code. It's also built for people who already know how to code and want to go faster. And the best feature is that AI that works, and the best feature, AI that works directly in your editor, almost like a coding partner. And finally, the last one is Bolt. Bolt is simple, clean, and fast. You don't get distracted. So you just open it, type your code, and run it. It's super light, so it works well even on slow laptops. It's great for quick tests, learning, or small projects. And the best feature, speed and simplicity. It just works. It's fast. So, the real question is, which one is the best? So, it really depends on what you need. So, if you want to build apps fast with AI, go with Databutton. If you want an AI powered coding editor, try Cursor. And if you want a super simple, fast coding space, Bolt is perfect. So each one is built for a different kind of person. So try them out and see what fits your style best. Thank you so much for watching and happy coding.